Welcome student to class 7th, subject mathematics. Today we are going to learn about chapter 2nd fractions. Chapter 2nd fractions. Dear students, we have learned about the concept of fraction and decimal in previous classes. We have studied about types of fractions, their comparison, equality of fractions, and like and unlike fractions. So let's start fractions. What is the meaning of fractions and how do you represent? Let's see. A fraction is a number representing a part of a whole. That is, the whole can be a single object or a group of objects. For example, three divided by 7, 2 divided by 8, 1 divided by 9, etc. This example is known as fractions. Dear children, we know that the upper part is fraction is called numerator. And the lower part of the fraction is called denominator. Now coming classification of fractions. There are different type of classification of fractions. Let's see. First, common fractions. Second, complex fractions. Third, proper fractions. Fourth, improper fractions. 5, mixed fractions. Here 6 is equivalent fraction. 7 is like fractions and 8 is unlike fractions. So first of all, what is common fractions? Here the numerator and the denominator are integers in a common fractions. For example, 3 divided by 5, 5 divided by 6 and so on. That is, common fraction is said to be numerator and the denominator are integers. Next, what is complex fraction? Let's see. Here, a fraction in which the numerator and the denominator are fractions is called complex fraction. For example, 3 divided by 5 divided by 3 divided by 4. Here, 2 divided by 3 divided by 5 and so on. Now coming proper fractions. What is proper fractions? Let's see. Dear children, a fraction is said to be a proper fraction if its numerator is smaller than the denominator. That is, proper fraction is numerator is less than the denominator. For example, 3 divided by 5, 4 divided by 7 and so on. Next, what is improper fractions? Let's see. Dear children, a fraction is said to be improper if its numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. For example, 11 divided by 5, 13 divided by 6, 17 divided by 17 and so on. Next, mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? Let's see. An integer together with a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. That is, dear children, a fraction with a whole number and a proper fraction is said to be a mixed fraction. For example, 1 whole 1 divided by 2, 8 whole 9 divided by 11 and so on. And this formula is known as mixed fraction formula.